So now we are jump to the controller. So like after all scripting enhancements completed, that script is ready with the multiple user point of view. We need to start the our execution part. So where we can do for the execution controller. So controller nothing but what is the controller? Like we can design the scenario and execute with the multiple user point of view. We are using for the controller. So going to we need to open the controller first, okay? And already I read these scripts, okay? One is for the pest store. Yesterday we did, right? That is the ones, okay? And so now we can like this script is ready and we are already done from the web service script, right? Two scripts we can push into the controller. So now I'm opening the controller. See, once open the controller, you will be like look like this. In the controller, we have the two type scenarios. One is the manual scenario, one is the goal-oriented scenario. So manual scenario, nothing but yourself, you only, okay, you need to do the all things. So means like yourself, you need to design number of users and we need everything you want to design, we can use from the manual scenario. Goal one ten nothing but it is automatically the scenario will be designed. Okay. We are maximum, we are going to the manual only. We are not go to the goal oriented. So that is why you need to select from the this manual. And this is the percentage mode. If you select this, what will happen means your 10 users you are executing. The 10 users 100%, right? So it will be calculated as a percentage mode. So no need from the percentage mode also. And after that, load runner scripts. Like what are the scripts you are developed here? All scripts will be displayed here. See, already we did API testing. So you can add from the API testing. Just select that and add this. And do you have any other things? Yesterday we did, right? Pet store and pet booking and date. What is the date yesterday? 16, right? Okay, 16
Hello.
or yeah,
Hello.
17, right? Yes,
Sir,
yes.
yes, this script, sir, appear automatically in
Yes,
controller.
it will be automatically appear. But if it is a new version, right? Otherwise, you need to select from the like it is click on the something and you will get from the browser also.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. All scripts is selected here. So we can remove also. We can do here. Okay. Which script you want, you can keep that. Okay. I want only API scripting and one more is the pet store pet booking. So yesterday 17th, right? 17th and 10. 17th and 10. So this is the our script. Yesterday I did, right? So that is also you can add. Okay. So and so how many scripts you want, you can add. Okay. So for as of now, I added this and we'll see for the remaining also. Okay. Now just I added two scripts. And after that, just click on OK. So means just what we are doing is what are the scripts is completed. So all scripting enhancements completed. That script we need to push into the controller. Okay. So once you can with this controller, can see the three. Okay. One is the design tab, one is the run tab, one is the diagnostics. Now is you are in design tab. Design nothing but you need to design a scenario. Run tab nothing but after design is completed, just click on start scenario. Your execution will be start. Okay, this is the diagnostics nothing but we want to we can dig the any issue the kind of things means we can use for that. Okay, that will be no need for now. Okay, only we need from these two design and run. So for here in the design you can observe what are the scripts you are uploaded. The two scripts is displayed in here as a group name nothing but it's a script name. This is the path of the your script, like where is the your script path. So this is the quantity. Right now, quantity one user only, it is picked. So now this is important, load generator. What is the load generator? Already I told, right? See, it is a generate the like load against through the application. Like you want to testing for the 5 users means you need from the some CPU utilization, memory utilization for that particular application, right? So that is why we need from the load generator. Based on from the number of user count, you need from the one load generator, two load generators, we need to add. So already it is a local host is selected. If you want to add means here is the add is there. You can click on add and here name of the your load generator. So like maximum load generator, it could be IP address 127.0.0.1. Okay, like this, it is a IP address will be there. And as a platform, like it is a Windows or Linux, you need to select it. Ours Windows only, right? I selected Windows and after click on OK. Now we can observe load generator added. So based on like you want to like which load generator you want, you can add this. This load generator will be our team will be provided. Okay, you need to use for the this testing this load generator. Those load generator you should add from here. Okay, so after this scenario schedule will be there, and here is a design point of view like start 2 users you have there. So we have the like you can do the testing means we can design the scenario like this. So we can call it as a this is the ramp up. Like users will gradually increasing the load. Like for example, you are testing 10 users. So at a time 10 users you can push that script. What will happen means like some application will be slow, this kind of things happen. That is why what will happen every 10 seconds, every 1 minute, 2 users you can increase. And means based on that, we need to design the scenario here. You can click on this. This is the ramp up. So start users, 2 users means it is starting from the 2 users. And you want to like every 2 users, it will be ramp up with the every 10 seconds. Okay, I will explain everything. Okay, means every 2 users will be 10 seconds. It is a ramp up will be start. So you can click on this and duration nothing but how much duration you want to test execute. Like this is the hours, minutes, seconds. So right now we are given 5 minutes only. And days also you want to execute means you can give from the days also. And after that, so ramp up how will be there, and we have the ramp down also will be there. You can come to here. Ramp down also you can give from the like every 2 users. Okay, and ramp up with the every 10 seconds. Okay. Okay, now here start users will be there, right? So here you can observe if you select this script, so 2 scripts will be different. So you can design, you can select this. This is the you want design, you can design this. You want this script, you can design. Now, so when it is happen means when you are selected from the schedule by group, this is the schedule by group, then each script you can design from the individually. Now I want to users. For example, I want this script. Which script? API script I want to execute 10 users, assume 10 users. And this is the ramp up. Every 2 users ramp up with the every 5 seconds will give 5 seconds. See now you can observe this graph. Means you can observe every 2 users I given. So you can observe first 15 2 users is a 5. Okay, you can observe 5 seconds. And fourth user, you can observe every 5 seconds. Every 5 seconds, like 15. And you can observe again 10 users. 10 users will be how much time it is taking means 20. Why? Because every 2 user will be 5 second upping. Total is how many? 10, right? So means total will be all users
Yes,
will
sir.
be coming from the 20 seconds, reaching from the all 10 users reaching from the here. How much? 20 seconds. That is the ramp up. Ramp up nothing means gradually increase the load. So you can give from the, if you not given here anything, okay, you can give from the here 0. Okay, what will happen? You can observe. So all users also it is at a time it is increase. So here one user will be 5 seconds it will increase. If you give 0, so it is not, you should be give from the greater than 0 we can give. Okay. So means this is the just a ramp up ourselves. We can design the scenario kind of see this. Now steady state. This is the ramp up. This steady state nothing but duration. How much duration you want to execute. So how much duration we are given? 5 minutes. And stop users nothing but ramp down. So ramp down also we need to decrease the load, like reduce the load, like every 2 users reduce from the every 5 seconds. So here is increased, here is a down. See, you can observe every user 8 users, and you can observe 6 users. Again you can observe 4 users. Again you can observe 2 users. Finally 0. Means all user will be down. Down nothing but they will be log out. So like this, we can design the scenario. Now one scenario is completed, right? Now you can take from the one more scenario. You can design from the same way. Total users you can give from the 20 users. Okay. And every 5 users you can give. And every 5 seconds. I will explain how to we can take from the ramp up, ramp down. That will, okay, duration 5 minutes. And same way can give from the ramp down also. Like every 5 users, every 5 seconds. See, now this design is completed, this design is completed. Look, like, so total users, how many? 10 plus 20, 30 users you are executing. Each scenario will be different users you are given. Okay. Now we have the here load generator will be there. So for here you can observe load generator is the down status. You need to connect. See now ready state, and you need to connect this also. Now ready state means then this will be ready to work. Okay. Then close this. Now design part is completed. Now come to the run. You can observe these 2 scenarios we are executing. One is the 10 users, one is 20 users. Now you can just start scenario. Once you can start scenario, like how many users running, what is the elapsed time? Elapsed time nothing but when you are click for the start button, it is count from the 1 second onwards. Okay, test is completed 1 second, 2 second. It will count from the till end. And it's nothing but application hits, like per second for 60 last 60 seconds how many hits happen and how many transaction passed, how many failed, and we are getting any errors you will get from the here. So now we can start this scenario. Just click on this. Now you can observe running users 7 users and now 14 users. You can observe here, you can observe here is the down status nothing but they are in the ready status. Ready nothing but they are doing for their transactions. See, so if you open, if you click this, right, so ramp up will be going like this. This is the ramp up. Okay, you can observe here total now 30 users will be running nothing but they are doing for the day transactions. These 30 users, how much duration you are given, that time, how many times it will execute, like launch, login, and click on pet and click on pet booking and again log out, again this all things it is happen from the how much duration you are giving, that many times it is rotate. And here observe it's a pass transactions. So this many is passed. So you got one error And what is that error you want means you can click on here and it will display for that error. What is that error? See, missing new line in the, okay. So this is the pet store script. It is asking from the some user param dot file. So in this script, some missing line you are getting from the this user param data. That is why you got that error. So only one error, right? That is fine. Like less than 3% errors, that is fine. Password will be 752 like 610. Only one error means how much percentage? Some 0.001, right? So means that is will be ignored. But error count will be more than 3%, then your test is invalid. So you can go to the script and you need to, what is the issue you need to identify. See, errors are increasing. So 500 internal 500 error also you are getting. So sorry. If you click also, our script also it is open. Okay. So now we'll observe and failed transaction also you can observe what transactions failed. Everything we can see here. See how many passed like this. Okay, I will give some more big. You can know this transaction count also we can see here. How the execution also going, you can observe. You can observe. Passed will be this many passed happen from the each and every transaction. Okay, and you can observe. So failed order is showing. So two transactions failed. What is that transaction name? Click on confirm. So here you are getting from the some internal error. So already this will be, we know, right? Some expected error. Yes or no? Sometimes we are getting application side itself. We are getting for the 500 internal server error, right? So that is only it is showing here. If you click on error, it is showing here internal server error. You can observe HTTP status code 500 internal server error. Okay. So test is still executing now. As of now, how much time it is executed? 3 minutes 37 seconds. So during the test, so you should be monitor the test only. Like response time, how it is happening, you want to see means you need to open from the transaction response time gap. You can double click and you are able to open this. So these all will be transactions and you can observe from the, so average maximum is minimum average. So we need concentrate from the average. Our SLA will be 2 seconds. It is a more than 2 seconds or not. During the test also you should be know this. Okay. Just your understanding point of view, you can monitor this. Okay. So now all transaction will be okay, good. Means the test is going good only. Okay. Hits will be happening from like this. Hits will be happening and throughput. Throughput nothing but some bytes will be received from the server. So at that time you will get from the throughput. So if you open here, 10 users also what they are doing, you can observe here. API script you can't see, right? You can see here. If you open, just understanding point of view I'm opening. So all 20 users also they do further their transactions. Yeah. See, one user is doing different, one user is doing. So all how many users you are given, all users also doing different transactions. So you can observe, just I open, see, same they are doing, different also they are doing, right? So like this, just two users only you can observe. They are doing from the again and again login, again and again ticket booking, again they are doing. You can observe all 20 users also doing for the like this they are doing. See, your test also completed because we are given 5 minutes, right? So your test also stopped, is completed. Now, what is your duty? You should be analyze the results, like each and every transaction response time as per our SLA is there, not there, you can check. How do you can check? Using for the analyzer. So only we can do from the here execution only. And after that, we need to analyze the using for the analyzer. So you can go to the results directly. We can open, click on the analyze results. Automatically analyze tool will be open. You can observe. Current results will be, you are able to see. You can observe here past transaction, how many happen. Everything we can see in the load runner analysis. Nothing but it's a one more component is the load runner analysis. See, results will be loading. So you should wait for the until 100%.
And their iteration is different. Here users are that is different. This is different.
That is different. This is different. Iterations means how many iterations you given, right? So based on that, it will execute. Here is the like every user will be iterate from the number of times here. Okay. So generating from the complete data also you should wait for the until 100%. Then only your entire results will be, you need click from the after 100%. Yes. Now results will be, entire results will be loaded. You should wait for the few minutes and your all results will be, you are able to see here. So now you can observe this is the time, like how much duration you are executed, 5 minutes 45 seconds. Okay. Actually you are given 25 minutes only, actually this duration, but it will including from the ramp up random time also. Ramp up we are given how much, 10 seconds, and here we are given 20 seconds. 20, that is why 45 seconds. Like it is including from the test duration time, ramp up and duration and ramp down also it is calculated. Okay. So now we can observe. So maximum running user 30 users. This is the total throughput generated, average throughput, and total hits. This many hits is happen, and you can now concentrate from the transaction response time. So if you come here, this is the transaction response time. Like total will be 30,000 transactions passed. In that 4 is failed. So that is also, we know what is that error. Okay. So we can come down, we can observe total will be 200, like successfully. 201 also success, and some redirection also will be there. That is also fine. But you can observe this is the 502 errors got, means 0.006, means very minimal error. So that is why you can, this test will be good only. Okay. And now you need to concentrate from the each and every transaction. Okay. How much time it is happening. Okay. For here, this action and user init, this will be there, right? That will be no need. We can this user and transaction in it, right? That will be no need. What we can do means you can go to the here. This is the SLS. So here transaction names will be there. You can select here. So which transaction you don't want, you can select this, because that will be no need action user end, because that is also it is calculated. So that will be calculated entire response of the all the transactions. So that will be no need. So you are selected, right? After that, if you give for the equal, we can give as a not equal and you can okay. Then it is apply from the those results. Now we can come here. See now that 2 transactions will be gone. Now you can observe, like we have the minimum will be there, average, maximum, standard division, 90%, and how many pass each transaction, how many pass and how many fail, and any stop users all will be there. It is calculated. Now you should be concentrate from the each and every transaction average response time. We can concentrate. like 30 users average response time. This is only for one user response time now. We need to 30 users average response time. How much? 0.37. Actually, our SLA will be what? 2 seconds. Means that is good. And this is the create user. This is the create user, nothing but that is the like what is that? API. This is the list of users API transaction. This is also 0.414 for the 30 users average response time. And list of users, and this all will be transactions. Okay, and any transaction is taken high response time. You can observe this launch is happen from the 2.94, and ticket booking also it is happen from the more. So apart from sorry, maximum don't consider. Sorry, can observe like 1.78. Any transaction is more than 2 seconds. You need to observe from the only per average. So each and every transaction as per our SLA or not. Hello? Hello?
Yes, yes, sir.
So like each and every transaction as per our SLA. So means that is the good thing.
Sir, how to generate a report?
Yeah. That will
Okay.
I will explain. Okay, no worry.
Okay.
So first
Yes.
thing you are observe these are results. And you want to see the graph curve also, we can see this is the graph, running users graph. Nothing but ramp up. This is the duration, ramp down. Users how the design. Per second graph, how the it will be happening. And throughput, how the throughput is generating. Transaction summary, like each and every transaction, how many times it is executed, it is counted from the in this transaction summary graph. And average response time graph. Nothing but all transactions. This is the graph. Like each, if you highlighted this graph and this transaction average this one. After that, your results will be good. You want to send this report means we can come to the report and click on report template or HTML report. Okay, click on the HTML report. It is asking from the save where you want to save. Okay, this PC and some desktop, and you can give from the report name. Pet store some baseline test. Example, just I did only baseline as baseline test results. Okay, you want date also means like what date you done, you can forget you are doing means you can give from the date also, like it is easy to we can find out. Save it.